Hello everybody. I figured I might as well just show it to you. I was hoping to have it all neat and do a, you know, here's my she shop video, but well, I can still do that later if and when I get it organized. But there's the door. I made the curtain out of a tablecloth. And then there's a little frame I painted. And I'm hanging jewelry on it that I'll use in projects. And then down here I got a little tack shelf with jewelry and my crystals and all that on it. And then there's the messy work center. See, I haven't been able to really get in here and I keep shopping. And I just pile stuff up, and then plus we cleaned out our storage shed. And so a lot of that came in here because we're just going to use it for storage, so a lot of tools got brought in here. And among other things. But so there's a little shelf I hung up there. It's got little containers with things in it. And my boyfriend picked out these lights for me. And I painted the ends purple. And yeah, I got a lot of work. And the bright green shelf, it'll hang somewhere in here. And that little can over there, I'm probably gonna put some hair on her. Just have it kind of silly looking. And then there's a pegboard. Let's see if I can get over here. I put a plastic tablecloth from Dollar Tree on some pegboard. I was working at Walmart at the time and they were gonna throw it away. And I said, can I have it? So I got a bunch of pegboard. We put it in other buildings too. But so I covered it with that, and then I guess put a layer of Mod Podge or something. I don't remember what I put on top of that. And there's a piece I want to paint and put in the house. It's just being stored out here, I guess. I need to put it up in the loft. And then there's a little curtain I made with some more of that tablecloth that's on the front door. And some more messy work area. And I got the little bright things. I'm thinking about putting like my little delicate flowers and stuff that go to like doing wire projects in it. I ain't sure. And a little picnic basket. I'm all the time buying kid stuff because it's bright and pretty. I'll store stuff in it. And then I got that stuff. And I've got a stool here. It looks like it mildewed. It's so humid. And I put that fabric over the back. And that's some antique yardsticks I got out of the other building. And for padding, I've put down some of these things. You can always find them in thrift stores. Well, a lot of times, not always. And I found this pink chair. Just had to have it. And it's in the way. But I'm hoping it'll work with that desk. Because I really, really like that color. Let's see. I just screwed those little clips up there to hang clothes on. It looks like they have dried out. And that's used to have a mirror in it. I guess it didn't have it in it when I got it at Goodwill. And that, the blue part with the little flowers, was some wrapping paper I had that I put on that pegboard, and then just put a little design in the middle, and I made little stamps. I still got them somewhere that I did the green with. It ain't the neatest work, but you know, it's a pegboard. And then like, there's a purse. I cut that design out. I'll put it somewhere just because it's gaudy and colorful. And then I hung these little baskets. I don't know where I got the baskets. Dollar Tree or Dollar General. I don't remember. And let's see. Oh, this is where the desk is going to go. Probably right at where the chandeliers end and that mop induster is. And this, oh my goodness, this is one of those tall, skinny laundry baskets, and that's full of like these kind of sconces and stuff that I want to paint. Hang crystals on, put flowers on. Yeah, I got a lot of them. And you can get a better view of my chandelier pile. That's pretty piled up. And back there are some more of those little sconce things. A lot of them I've painted to use as hooks because I want everything in here bright and colorful. And I can't remember what I had hanging on that. But anyway, I had something hanging on it. And so there's a bunch of boxes I bought. You know, at Dollar Tree I got all these little boxes. And those are necklaces hanging there that I got at Dollar Tree. They come in pink and aqua and purple, so I just used the pink so far. And then I put that little, that was a brown metal design, I painted it and put over it. And let's see. Here's some more of those little squares that I'm going to use for padding on the floor. And I don't care if they get paint on them and get dirty, you know. I might throw down some plastic, I don't know. We'll see. And then this table, I've got to put it on the loft. Get it out of my way. And let's see. Oh, did you see my cute little flowers back there? The stuffed ones. I'm like a kid. There's a hook that I painted bright, and it holds like measuring tape. Oh, I think I had electric cord on the other thing. So yeah, I gotta move that little piece of electric cord. It's been a while, I forgot. And that's a container for garden tools. You know, I may keep them in our storage building because, you know, I don't need them in here. We'll see. And then they are in what used to be, I think it was Costco. I'd got them. And they were, this is garbage can, and that one's holding tools. They were, oh, and I got these big heavy lids I've got somewhere out here. So I just left them off. But they were like a tan color, and you keep them outside, and they faded and everything. And so I thought, well, I'll just paint them bright. So I did. And these little things, I was going to try to paint to sell, cover up the, you know, Cinderella or whatever that is. But what I'm thinking now, I'm thinking when I get my desk, I may use that like a shelf on my desk. And this little thing is a lot like it. It's like a little step stool for children. You know, I'll cover it because I ain't no princess. I'll paint over that. And but I do want to leave this. I think that's pretty. If I can kind of match it up pretty good. But okay, now let me take you up top. Okay, gotta slip this in somewhere. This coffee table here, it's not one Mom was crazy about. She had her humongous TV that I'm stuck with now. Because it's so heavy. And so old, I don't think nobody want it. But anyway, I could do a really good paint job on that. Like each slat, see how it's got the little, well, other than mildew and dust, it's got all the little slats. It's got a dip in there. So I could do different colors on it. Like Jamie Ray Vintage done a good table on her outdoor seating area. You know, with different colors. So check out Jamie Ray Vintage videos if you hadn't already. She's awesome. She's like, her and Debbie's Design Diary, they're the best. And Jamie, she puts up videos pretty much every day. Maybe every day, I don't know. But, oh, I'm going to show you this. We're going to pipe some water out here. Maybe with actual piping in or just run the hose up. But I got these. And look at that. So I might use those. I don't know. But figured I'd share it with y'all too. And here's another one of those. This was on a backpack. So I'll put it out here somewhere. It's just colorful and gaudy and I like it. So there's that. Okay, I ain't made it all the way to the top, but I just seen something I wanted to tell y'all about. The little bright pink jewelry box. And the jewelry box is down there. And there's another one right there. Oh, well, there's one there too. They're good for keeping little screws or, you know, whatever in, and they're cute. See, in my house, it's more neutral colors, so I got my gold out here. Now, I got some gaudy gold in my house, but not this kind. Not this kind of bright, but I like it. Okay, let's see if we can get on up here without breaking a leg or neck or something. Okay, and there's a little toy crib, rocker crib I'm gonna do something with. And that, I'm probably gonna use the parts out here just because it's pretty colors. And back, oh, it felt like my ladder moved. Back there, let's see, that was my mom's coffee table and end tables, and they got all beat up and mildewed when somebody was storing them for me. So, and that's the legs to them. And then there's the glass that goes on top. It's like an amber color, I guess. But I'm thinking about using those on my back porch to paint them. Mama loved them, and yeah, they got damaged. But I don't know if I use the glass. I may have to put wood there instead. I don't know, because I'm probably gonna go with white, and the amber just wouldn't look right. Let's see. And then I got picture frame, and the Christmas tree. I'll probably make another mannequin Christmas thing eventually. Maybe this year, hopefully. And then I want to show you my chandelier. It used to be brass. Hopefully we can see it with the lights on. Yeah, you know, I wish I'd have had that big monster one, wherever it's at. That one hanging up. I wish I'd have had that. But anyway, I want to show you, you know, I just ordered these little things. They were kind of high to be ordering for a shop. And I got a lot of my mama's crystals that I was gonna hang on it, but I think I've changed my mind. I'll probably use them in the house. And then I ordered these, and I wanted to show you. I got them rigged to where I can slip them right off to wash them good if needed, since, you know, I'll be sawing out here and everything. And let me see if I can get a close-up of that. That is the wedding ring stickers at Walmart. I just kind of cut them to make the design I wanted. There's the, well, we'll start at the top. Okay, it's got that box there, but you know, whatever, can't help out. Then we go on down. Then we have that. Only thing is, I gotta get LED bulbs. This thing uses a lot of power. These are high watt bulbs, and the LEDs are expensive, but I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet and do it. Save money in the long run, you know, if I stay out here a good bit, like I used to. So there's the details of that. And I don't know if you can tell, I spray painted it pink. Well, I think I used primer, then spray paint, and then I kind of dry brushed a little white on the edges. And I love it. Oh, okay, I'll take you. Well, no, I ain't gonna take you. I'll just show you. Okay, we got some fluorescent bulbs stored over there in the corner. Those things make me nervous because they got mercury in them, and I don't want them broke out here. And I have an old chandelier in that box. And there is the router and some clutter. And I got that wonderful fan. That thing is awesome. And there's some kind of nest built on it. It's got the red little pieces. Let me see if I can zoom in. It's got some red little pieces of foam to keep it from rattling too loud. And on one of those pieces on the left at the top, I guess that'll be on the left. Well, anyway, my left, some kind of nest built on it. But my boyfriend, he done the wiring and done a really good, neat job. And behind, there's my sheets of wood, is the electrical box. And so the wiring goes on up through here, you know, to this light. And so I've got, I don't know if I can show you. Where is it? I got 3 switches. The one on my left controls this light and like at the front door. The one in the middle controls the fan, and there's another one that controls, I think it controls the chandelier and the 2 on the loft. I don't know. I don't pay attention, I just cut lights on. But that light, we have a little bitty light. Let's see if I can find it right there. Because my grandson, he had a little table he'd fold out and sit there. And then later we put that light behind the beads, and it's got a speaker in it. So I can play music videos on YouTube or something and Bluetooth it to that. But when you cut the light on, it says something and it'll startle you when you first cut it on. But anyway, yeah, we'll be out here, we'll be making some good videos. I can get to doing some serious stuff. Oh, and these Easter pots, in case you're wondering, I got a slew of them. They were marked down to 8 cents a piece, and I got them, and I have no idea what to do with them, but I'm sure I'll figure something out. If not, then I'll donate them. But anyway, I'm looking forward to getting it done. But it's taking some time. Taking some effort. But anyway, thanks for watching, and be sure and subscribe so that you can watch me really get crazy and make some good videos. And hit the notification bell. Thanks a lot.